You thought that was it? You thought we were done? Oh, young Padawan, you're so naive. I'm not letting you off this easily. We are only just getting to the good stuff.
Welcome back everyone. In today's
Tutorial Tuesday.
we'll be looking at 4 and 5 point perspective. It's buy one get one for free, but without buying. We have done linear perspective. You get the basics. You have a strong foundation. Now let's build on that. Last week we covered 3 point perspective. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it here. We went a little rogue and placed a vanishing point away from the horizon line. What can I say? I like living life on the edge. What if I told you that today we'll add another vanishing point that's also away from the horizon line?
No! God, please, no! No!
If you're watching this and you're new to 4 points perspective, you're probably thinking, oh, I don't need this video. I have seen 3 points perspective. This is probably the same, but on both sides. I can mirror this, make a grid, and I'm done. Well, congratulations, you're wrong. If that would have been the case, it would still be linear perspective. Also, if objects cross the horizon line, we would have a bit of a problem. Little secret here, pal, boxes don't look like this. Instead, it would look more like this. As you can see, the vertical lines are now curved. I like my lines like I like my women, with a bit of curve. That's why 4 point perspective and 5 point perspective are called curvilinear perspectives. Don't focus too much on the curves being perfect. As you can see, some of mine suffer from severe scoliosis. For curvilinear perspective, it's easier to map out the full grid before you start drawing. All horizontal lines either go to the left or the right vanishing points, and all vertical lines go to the top or the bottom vanishing point. When experimenting with this, make sure your vanishing points and lines are spread equally. Later you can play with the proportions to get more extreme results. And now we can draw our cubes, our buildings, or whatever it is we want to draw, using our grid as a guide. Okay, let's take a look at 5 point perspective. We start with one vanishing point.
Another one.
Okay, we put the second one here.
Another one.
Dude, relax.
Another one.
Okay,
Another one.
Do you mind? I'm trying to teach these people something here. Are we good?
Call me asparagus.
Okay, thank you. The fifth vanishing point goes right here in the center. Now, if we want to lay out a grid again, it would look something like this. Now, I know, this looks complicated, right? But let me break it down for you. Remember 1 point perspective? We had one vanishing point where every plane that moved away from us converged into. All horizontal and all vertical lines were parallel to the field of view. This is pretty much the same, except horizontal and vertical lines now curve. But the planes that move away from us still will all converge into the central vanishing point. So, knowing that, we can draw cubes and boxes again. As you can see, this feels immersive. Linear perspective often feels like it's very much in front of us, while curvilinear feels like it's more around us. Due to these curved lines, 5 point perspective is often called fishbowl perspective, because it looks like you're seeing items through a fishbowl. It's also often used to draw POVs, and that's exactly what I'll be doing in the following time lapse. See ya! Another week, another video with camera issues. This time the battery is fine, but my storage was full. So I had to delete a lot of junk before I could continue filming. If you guys could do me a favor, maybe after each video leave a comment saying charge your camera or clear your storage. That would be amazing. Anyway, this is the finished fishbowl perspective drawing. That's a bit of a tongue twister. At the end of the time-lapse you can see me erasing all of the guidelines, and I think I regret it. This was a piece I was using for practice earlier, and I think this looks way cooler, honestly. But it is what it is. That wraps up this week's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like the video, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing. At the time of filming this, we have hit another milestone and crossed 25 subs. I'm so grateful for every single one of you, and I hope none of you forget to ink outside the box.